Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and it's War Robots gameplay. So today I'm gonna test the old Sonic weapons that was meta before like 6 to 8 months before. Okay, so today we're gonna check it. So let me show you my module pathway. It's a brawler pathway basically. More healings and Titan entire control, because entire control is very important these days, because everywhere you will find pathway find us easily. And here is my youngly pilot with level 60. I have not upgraded it, I'm upgrading it slowly. So let's put the Titan directly with Sonic weapons. So in front of me there is a flying Ophion. So let me take some damage first. I don't want to use my reflector, but there was a Titan behind me. Actually there was two Titans behind me, so I thought better it will be I escape from here. So I jumped there, but unfortunately I got three Titans against me. See, one. Okay, here he comes. I gave him some damage, even if I was suppressed, but I gave him good damage. Alright, if I wasn't suppressed, he must be dead. Alright, so behind there is a Indra, and soon enough there will be Rook Titan, and Indra has new Anguisher Titan weapons, so it's very difficult to kill and also deals good damage, but I try my best. Wherever my reflector gone, Rook killed me from behind easily. See, but I assure you that all the Titan weapons like Sonic weapons still works very well. So let me show you the second gameplay. So here is a Seraph type robot. What's name it is, I forgot. And he is using the latest second latest weapons, Anguishers. Right now it's not, but it works very well yet. So let me kill him. Okay, I killed him, and I got sniped from behind from a Crisis Reaper. So I went back in safety, and in front of me there is a Mauler. Let me fight with it. But let me tell you something, guys. Even if Mauler nerfed, but still it's so fucking powerful, man. It's still so hard to kill. See how much damage I gave. I can wipe a Luchador or rest Titans easily, and with that salvo, even around 1.4 million to 1.5 million damage I deal easily. But I wasn't able to kill him easily, and I used my second salvo, but still. Okay, sorry, I was using his shield. Okay, someone killed him, and this guy was irritating me so much. So let me kill him first. There is in front of me the second last Titan. Name is, I forgot always. Why I forget names, bro? Okay, let me jump on him. Okay, he's trying to escape. So let me deal some damage to him. And he is using Vindicator weapons. Okay, they nerfed Vindicator badly. Fix Sonic, please do something about it. So he's jumping back to me, and lol, he is dead. But I doubt I gonna meet a hacker, because he killed me so fucking fast with older weapons, like in starting that DOT weapons. They killed me badly. See how much damage this guy do. Even if my reflector, he killed me like I was nothing. And trust me, this guy is 101% a hacker.